up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Actually, why am I doing that? Like I'm talking and putting the camera down at the same time. All right, let's start again. Take 2. So I just finished showing you guys a haul of the stuff that I bought for my newborn, who I'm expecting in about 4 weeks time. So I was thinking, actually if you missed that video, you can check it out, link in the description. I thought whilst I'm preparing and like washing and packing these things, I might as well show you guys. So my husband is busy setting up our newborn's chest of drawers. So we actually got these from Macro, and so they came in bits and pieces, and he's busy assembling everything. So by the time I'm done with packing and actually with washing and ironing these, then we're going to be packing them in the chest of drawers, which my pumpkin will be done assembling. So thank you, babe. So what I'm actually doing now, I just want to take off tags from these items, because as you can see we've got quite a pile of stuff. So I want to separate them according to the colors, put them in the bags so that I can wash them according to their colors. Good morning. So last night I ended up in a lot of trouble with like lower back pain. You know, there's this thing where like it feels like I've pinched a nerve in my lower back, and yeah, it was like really bad. I think I might have overdone my activities for the day, because we were busy like buying last minute stuff. Anyways, I'm just taking laundry out. So we're busy buying last minute items and everything. Let's see if this camera will sit here. I hope it doesn't fall over. And giving you some thigh action here. So baby, into lezi zirintsanga be zimanzi. Urinse wanga lokhuzi. Akuspinanga, kuwamekere, kumanzi man.
What is spin?
Okay. Spin and drain.
Yeah.
It's chilly. Oh, okay. So what I did was I separated my colors yesterday to the whites, the blues, the grays, and the dark colors like the blacks and the navies that are currently in the wash. And I'm using the hypoallergenic wash. Let me quickly show you guys what it looks like. This one, I got it from Babies Are Us, but I also saw it at, is it Babies Are Us or Baby Are Us? I don't know. And I also saw it at Discam. So if you wanted a hypoallergenic wash for baby stuff. But how I'm doing the loads is I'm just doing a fast 30-minute cycle, and then rinsing twice, and then drying. So it was raining yesterday, we put the whites in the dryer, but today it's a bit sunny. As you can see, it's quite sunny, so I'm thinking today we can hang the stuff out to dry, because when the stuff dries in the dryer, it comes out like with this, it doesn't have like the lovely clean smell that you get from like hanging stuff in the sun. So anyways, whilst I'm waiting for that load to spin, then in the meantime I'm going to be ironing my whites. Our chest of drawers is almost done. Zairi is here finishing up, and then we're gonna pack our stuff, and that's what today is about. I'm not going to be too busy like going up and down and stuff because of my back, but I'm going to be sitting right there, you see, on that cushion on the floor. So I'm gonna be sitting on the cushion on the floor and ironing on that small white table because his clothing items are tiny anyways. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next, I don't know how many hours. Guys, do you know I never iron anything in life? I last ironed in high school. And then maybe 1 or 2 items per year. Like literally, I'd rather not iron. I'd rather wear something I'd rather wear something unironed than to iron it myself. So this shows you how excited I am about motherhood. Anyways, okay, so this is the situation that we have at the moment. So I separated the colors. Those are the blues in there. These are the whites. They are done washing, and I think these are the grays also sitting in there. So now I'm just going to take the whites and start ironing the whites because they are washed and dried, but the rest still need to be washed and dried also. I think ikhona ukuthi kuwatsho lezi ngubo lezi. Ingubo lezi I think izobe singanya.
Lokomisa nje ngomisa lo.
Asiwomisa ngakude. Hey guys, who knew that this could turn into a full day activity? Like we literally started, I think, at around noon, and look what time it is now. So if the pressure will cooperate, 17:33 is the time now. And we are still going. So I've taken a break and my pumpkin took over, so graciously took over, dead of the year. And we still have piles to go through here, but so far this drawer has nothing yet in it. Those are like his little socks, more coming. And then we've got this one here with like the Boma fleecy, Boma receiving blankets, and then these are his hooded towels, and those are the napkins that I was saying I'm going to be using for what are they? Baby clothes, right? And then We still need to figure out a labeling system, but here we've got his newborn long sleeves, then this is 0 to 3 long sleeves, and then these are his like fleecy outfits, which I'm thinking probably need to go somewhere else on their own. And then during the week I'll pack his hospital bag, and I'll show you guys what I put into that. So his hospital bag, my hospital bag, so that we are ready, because at this point anytime is tea time. I want to show you guys this dress. You know, I used to wear this dress and it used to come up to here. Ooh, it's barely covering anything at all. Like if I was to turn around, you guys would literally see my bum. Imagine that. And this dress was like so long, but now it's covering just the tummy. I just wanted to show you guys, but yeah, the growth is massive. My clothing sizes have gone up like significantly. It used to stress me at some point, like at the beginning of the 3rd trimester, towards the end of the 2nd trimester, I was struggling with like, whoa, oh my god, I'm gaining weight, what can I do? But now I've just surrendered and accepted my fate for what it is. And the stretch marks, hey, I thought like I was being proactive with like the oils, and I actually wanted to show you guys all the products that I was using, but I'm seeing it's pointless. Actually, if I was to show you the products that I was using, then I would show you the products that won't work to prevent stretch marks. Or it might be that they worked and otherwise my stretch marks would have been worse. That's another way of looking at it. But hey, stretch marks and hyper. Actually, let me show you quickly my stretch marks and hyperpigmentation that's going on the belly, hopefully without flashing the neighbors. So you can see this is what my belly looks like at this point. All right, but it doesn't really show much, right? When I have oiled up, you see it more like when my skin is dry. But look, you see how intense these are. There's even the ones on the side. Where are they? Can't find those ones, but like, yeah, you can see them most. It depends on the angle of the light, right? But you can see it's going down. It's really going down. So that's where we are with the stretch mark situation. And then the hyperpigmentation as well, because everything is black on black. So that's where we are with the Bailey. But all I'm doing is doing my best to keep it oiled, and you know, but of late it's been itching a lot. Like, I think it's also the stretching that's making it like that, because it itches like crazy. I just try not to scratch, but I also think getting these nails was not a very good idea, because at night when I'm sleeping I automatically scratch, which is not good. So later this week I'm going to get them like filled and trimmed, just to be like extremely short, almost like they are not even there, just extremely short nails. I think that's the best way to go at this point. Otherwise I'm going to scratch myself until these stretch marks become worse and worse, which we do not want to do. So anyways, we're going to continue, and then I'm going to show you guys what the setup looks like when we're done with the ironing, the folding, and when we've taken everything upstairs to our bedroom. As you can see, we're downstairs at the moment. So when we go upstairs, I'm going to show you guys what that implementation is going to look like. I also don't know what it will look like at this point, but yeah, we're all going to see the grand reveal together. Hey guys, this is actually 1 week later. So when I started filming this video, why is it so dark? When I started filming this video, it was last week Saturday, and today is the next Saturday. So I didn't show you guys the finished product with our chest of drawers, So we put it in our bedroom. We don't have that much space, but anyways, yeah, it's just sitting in our bedroom. And I just want to show you how we organize the different shelves. So this is the top shelf. Here we've got baby stockings, his little what are they called? The thing is for like when he's drinking milk so that it doesn't stain. What is it called? The bibs, I think. His face towels and little hats. And then these are just our toothbrushes. Actually, I should know. These are just our new toothbrushes that we just put in there. And okay, these are his fluffy clothes, so like his warm fluffy cozy things, and then like his leggings and vests and tops, I guess, according to the ages. So we put the labels there on the inside, so we're going to do like proper labeling. But like you can see, these are his long sleeves 0 to 3 months, long sleeves 0 to 3 months, short sleeves 0 to 3 months, etc etc. So they are all labeled that way. So this is the second, and then on the third one we've got like his hooded towels, his I'm a napkin lawana that I got for like uses pep clothes. He's receiving blankets, and then his warm yana fleece blankets and other zip up onesies. And then in the final drawer we've got his warm blankets. So yeah, these are like his swaddling blankets and everything. So that's everything in the chest of drawers for this weekend. I'm starting a new video. I'm actually packing my hospital bag, but it is what it is. So that will be the next video. If you are interested in seeing that one, then keep an eye out for it. I'll link it in the description box, and I'm also gonna put it up here so that you can watch it. But if you enjoyed this video, don't be shy to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, everybody, anyone and everyone who's interested. All these chest of drawers, we got them from Macro, right? We ordered them online, so they're not available in stores, and I think they were quite affordable for 1.8, because we were struggling to find like affordable but decent looking chest of drawers. We didn't want to spend too much on it. So yeah, if you are interested, that's where we got these ones. But the assembling, the assembling I think was just a lot of trouble. So if you can spare an extra 1,000 to buy it already assembled in some other shop, I would think maybe that's also a good idea, because I really regret the assembling bit. But other than that, they are cute, you know. They've got this nice glossy finish that I like, and yeah, they're not bad, they're okay. So I think for the purposes of what we're trying to achieve, they work. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.